Hello, Umut here. Welcome to another video. Today I have another craft haul video for you. I've been shopping recently because I haven't been shopping for a couple of years a lot, and I just wanted to renew my stash a little bit, and yeah. Anyway, the damage is done. I'm very keen on papers, so I recently discovered a craft shop in Spain where you can buy online, of course, and I'm sure they ship to many places. I bought some papers. I couldn't find this much of variety in the UK, to be honest. So I was really happy to discover them, and they have a very large collection, so I went through them and bought some papers, and I thought I show you because I like to discover stuff from others channels, so I'll do the same. If you wanna watch what I bought, maybe get inspired and reach out for yourself, feel free. I bought these for myself. I'm not sponsored by them, and they don't know that I'm doing this video. So the service was really good. I think they were out of stock on one of the papers that I bought, so they reached out immediately, asked me what I want to do, replace or refund, and I replaced it with something else. They sent this cute card to me, and they also send a little brochure to, you know, to give you an idea about their basics, and they have loads and loads of stuff. I'll put the link down below, but the name of the shop is this, if you want to check out. So yeah, let's get to the products. I bought loads of 12 by 12 papers, which I'm going to show, but before that I got some paper pads, and let me show you those. I discovered this brand. I didn't know it, to be honest. It's a Polish brand, Mintaj, and they have beautiful simple papers, and I fell in love, and now I ordered a lot from them, and these are the 3 booklets that I ordered because I found them really useful. They have flora book, and I think they have a butterfly book as well, or like animals and butterflies, but my friend sent me those papers before, so I didn't buy that, otherwise I would have bought. They have like, I think 4 or 5 flora books, and I selected 2 that I liked the most. So I'm going to flip through really quickly, and I'll get closer for that. Shabby Chic Pastel, Vintage Muted, really nice to fussy cut. They are not cut, they are not die cuts, you need to cut it, but you know, I'm happy to do that because they are really useful and beautiful. I think it's very versatile to have something like this. This is colorful, juicy. I love the versatile add-ons, leaves, Shabby Chic Pastel again, and yeah, I think they have, let's say 4. They have 4 sets of each, so maybe it would be useful if you have people around or you share stash. You can just share with your friends. So this is the second one, so again there will be 4 of each. So this is pastel 1, which is beautiful, and bigger ones, pastel 2, mixed tones. I love this page. Mixed tones 2, leaves, more leaves, and that's it. So it repeats. I think I'll share it with my friends for sure. And this is the frame book. I thought this would be really, again, I could use it for a long time. Very versatile frames. I can use it on canvases, journals, tags. There are vintage, different styles, colored ones, looking like metallic. So I think, yeah, we are at the beginning again. So this, and it's not so expensive. That's why I really like. This is a gift from the shop. I didn't order it, but let's check what it is. That's a very kind behavior from them. Thank you very much. I didn't open it so nicely, but yeah, these are origami papers. Oops, I think there are 2 of each, and they are thin, so these could be easily decoupage papers. That's why I think they are useful. 2 of these, and let's look at the back. Back is, let me not confuse them. Okay, 2 of these, 2 of these, really nice, and they go with colors, like they're all green, which I love. Some dragonflies, more leaves, more leaves. I think there are more than 2 of each. Again, we came to the, let me see, yeah, yes, there are, they repeat. So again, you can share or use a lot. They are small size anyway, or not. I'm not sure if they repeat. This I didn't see before, and this I didn't see before. Maybe you can detect better watching it. No, I didn't see this before. I don't think they repeat. They are similar, so there are lots of different things. Oh my god, there's a lot. This and this. Oh, I love these little leaves. And yeah, I'm going to, I don't want to, this is very beautiful too, and this very delicate. They go with the tones are the same. So, and there's a lot. There's 60, 15 by 15 centimeters, 70 GSM, I think, which is, I told you, it's very thin, so it could be really good decoupage paper actually, for the backgrounds, to blend in. That's how I'm going to use it. So this is what I looked at, origami. Then let's look at the, before that I got a couple of new dilution sprays. I didn't have the gray, slate gray and periwinkle blue. This blue is a favorite color of mine. It's a light ultramarine, light cobalt type of blue, pastelish. So I just bought other couple of dilutions sprays, and here are the 12 by 12 papers, which are a lot, just to give you an idea. I buy my 12 by 12 papers because I think I like to use the big images as focal points, and I don't buy them in sets, like 12 by 12 set, because I wouldn't like all of them probably. There are some background papers maybe not used for me, but this is my taste, how I work, so you might be different. But yeah, I just selected single papers from all the collection that they have, which was a long process, I can tell, because they had a lot. So anyway, this is super cute. I'm just going to hold the, because some names are difficult. This is a Spanish brand for sure, so I'll just hold it for you to pause, and this is the number if you want to check it out. But it's so cute. There's this girl on the tree, and there's this shoe, whimsical shoe with like paint and brushes. So I thought so cute to use as focal points, and this guy is so cute too. I like whimsical images. So this is from Scrap Boys, industrial romance. and product code is here for you to pause. And it has a lot of grungy images that go with each other, so I thought it would be a nice addition to my collection. I don't have many of these things. I have loads of butterflies to Fussy Cat. This is from Eco Park. I love spring, so lots of colorful butterflies. These were big, that's why I liked it. 9 images, and the backs are generally backgrounds, so I'm not gonna show the backs. Webster's Pages, the brand, but there's nothing else. These are also super cute. I thought they were different. It's from Scrap Boys Fairyland, and this is the product code, just so you see. So cute. Fairies, and there are like 6 images that I can use for my focal points. So cute. I can even make a full journal with them, like a mini journal. I don't know, I didn't decide yet. And this is from Schmel. It's called Never Grow Up. This is American Crafts, so this is the barcode if you wanna pause. But yeah, it's beautiful, all butterflies. And again, another butterfly, Cocoa Vanilla Studio, and it's called Happiness. So loads of them. Then of course I have my flamingos, the tropical sceneries, parrots, and all the beautiful leaves and stuff. This is from, it says Let's Flamingo 07, so I'll get close for you to see. And the product code is this. Yeah, I think if you search on their website Let's Flamingo, you will find it. And these houses are so cute. I'm very lazy with stamping houses and coloring them, so I just bought these, and I can use them as is. It's called Family, We Are Family 01. So cute, all these houses. Then there's another favorite. This is from Mintai as well. They have loads of 12 by 12 papers and sets, so this was in a set, but I just chose one. It's called Lady, and this is the product code. I love this and all these color combinations, so I'm gonna make a collage. This is another one. It's called, again from Mintai, Dreamer. This is the product code, and it's so cute, very cute. Another one from Scrap Boys with the fairies, again Fairyland, and this is the code, just to be closer. So cute. And again, I can make 4 pages with this, using them as focal points. This is amazing. Another beach theme, summer is coming hopefully. It's called Paradise, again from Mintai, and this is the code. And here is how it looks. There are some beach huts, like nice parrots. The color scheme is very summery and light and pastel colors. I love it. These I bought for the birds and butterflies to fussy cut them. It's again from the Dreamer collection, and this is the product code. And this is again butterflies, again from Mintai, Better Times, and this is the product code. Here how it looks, and I think the same concept. It's called Bloomville, here Bloomville, and this is the product code, and it's a different color scheme. This is you know, colorful, bright, and this is more muted. I couldn't decide, so I got both. This is camping theme, and I thought it was interesting, again different. So it's called Winter Wilderness from Mintai again, and this is the product code. I thought I could fussy cut this, and you know, it can be a nice scenery, and I put this on the other corner, like, yeah, I imagined a page with it. This is again from Mintai. It's called Harmony. I love the color scheme on this, and I thought I could make a mini journal with this, because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12 images, so it can make a nice 12-page journal. Let's see, product code is this. Yeah, it's a color combination that I love, and I thought it's very suitable for fussy cutting, so on a mini journal I think it would look really nice. Another is this Unforgettable Collection from Cocoa Vanilla Studio again, all butterflies. This is another color combination that I love, so again from Mintai. It's called Bird Song. And this is the code. I love it, so beautiful, the colors. You don't have to be this is you don't have to be perfect to be amazing. They put a sentiment here as well, and I love the colors of butterflies here. Let's see what this is. It's from Kaiser Craft, and the back is this Flower Shop Collection, and it's called Glass House. This is the code, so I'll find it. I love Kaiser Craft papers as well. And this is again from Let's Flamingo, same collection, and it's full of flamingos. This is also from Let's Flamingo, full of parrots. I think if you write Let's Flamingo, you will find all these papers. Again, the same. It's all tropical theme. This is called Hello Beautiful. This is number 3. So it has these beautiful birds, flowers, like watercolor painted. I thought I can fussy cut and use. And this also from the same collection, and it's 07, Hello Beautiful 07. And it has the flowers and different birds, and you know, this bouquet. I don't know, it looks very similar, but I just couldn't decide, so yeah, I got both. And I fell in love with this house. It's Florabella Mintai, from Mintai again, and this is the product code for you to see. There's a horse here too, so I thought I could fussy cut this, and I could cut this and this paper. I think the colors are amazing. These are all inspirations in itself, because you can just copy the colors and create pages. And this is the last, Sunshine 07, and it's a summer theme with like girls at the beach, lots of colorful, like sunshine on a paper, I would call it. So it's very beautiful. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my paper haul. I'll be creating lots of projects with these soon, and thank you so much for watching, hanging out with me. Lately I've been doing these chatty videos, and if you're still here and if you enjoyed, I'd love it if you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, or leave a comment. Which one is your favorite? Which one you would like me to use first? Let me know, so I can respond to the ones that are most popular. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.